Kung manggugulo ang China sa oil exploration o paghukay ng langis ng Pilipinas, pipigilan yan ng Amerika. Yan ang mandato o utos sa US Navy ang itaboy ang China. Hindi Bombay na, kundi itaboy lang. Pero siguro kung manglalaban ang mga Chinese, alam nyo na ang kasunod niyan. Kasalukuyan ngang may koordinasyon ang Philippine Navy, Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force at US Navy sa misyon. Pero siniwalat ng kapitan na may padating pa daw na warship mula sa US Navy. Talagang full force ang deployment. Masigurado lang na walang manggugulong Chinese Coast Guard o Chinese Maritime Militia.
While we're here in Manila, as far as the Admiral mentioned, the strike group has come in here, so there are other ships that were in working with us that are coming in as well. And so looking for all of this, folks from across the strike group to enjoy Manila and then get back out there. As to part is this in response, this is a typical patrol for us. We're out here to do what we do and expressing those shared ideals with our partners and allies in the region, and that is that free and Indo-Pacific ideal that we have. So this is a very routine in that regard of why we're out here and what we're doing.
Pinalitan nga ng USS George Washington ang USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group. Pumunta kasi ang USS Nimitz sa Middle East dahil sa giyera doon ngayon. Ganyan katiwa-tiwala ang US pag nagkakagulo. May tulong ka talagang aasahan. Huling pagpunta nga ng USS George Washington sa Pilipinas noong 2013 pa, Bagyong Yolanda. Tumulong noon sa humanitarian and disaster response. Ngayon, ang misyon ay bantayan ang West Philippine Sea sa kamay ng mga Chekwa. Kasalukuyan tong nakadoong sa Manila Bay dahil sa sama ng panahon. Inaasahang babalik sa misyon din agad. Pinagbigyan naman ng Commanding General ang ilang mga Pilipino crew na mamasyal muna. Oo, may mga Pilipino nagtatrabaho sa USS George Washington.
Most importantly, for some, it is coming home to see friends and family, as some of our best and brightest in the US Navy come from the Philippines.
Everybody up there working hard. It's a dangerous environment. These guys do it day and night.
Muli naman binigyan din ng kapitan ng higanting barko. Committed silang protektahan ng teritoryo ng kanilang kaalyadong bansa, ang Pilipinas. Nakakilabot, di ba? Talagang andyan ng US ay paglaban ng tama at labanan ang mali. Dahil ang pinakalayunin ng Amerika ay mapanatili ang bukas at malayang Indo-Pacific region sa kamay ng gahamang sa pangyarihan. Patama yan sa China.
Free Pacific, Indo-Pacific region. That's why we're out here. We know the importance of this theater. Or this region. You know, it's a vast region, many nations, most of them with coastline. The importance of the open and free sea lanes, just from a commercial aspect alone, is important to them. It's important to us, and in that way we share those values. So that our being out here and the patrols we go on to show that commitment to those shared values of the free and open Indo-Pacific region.
Grabe ang Amerika, ano? Tunay na kaibigan. Kayo, natutuwa rin ba kayo at nandyan lagi ang US? Komento sa baba ang inyong saloobin.